Selenium class 9, Java conditional and loop statements. Java conditional and loop statements. See, conditional and loop statements comes under flow control. See, Java flow control. Java flow control. Flow control two types. First one, conditional statements. Conditional statements. Next, loop statements. Okay. First I am taking conditional statements. See, what is the usage of conditional statements in our test automation? Conditional statements are used to insert verification points and for error handling. Say, conditional statements are used to insert verification points and for error handling. Okay. See, we have two types of conditions in Java. See, first topic, two types of conditions. Two types of conditions. In Java. What are the two types of statements? Have any idea, Rahman?
Single.
That is types of conditions. I am asking types of conditional statements.
If statement?
Yes, if statement. Next. Switch statement. Switch
Statement. Yes, sir. Got it.
Good. Switch statement. See, in C language also two types, if statement, switch case statement. In VB script also, if statement, select case statement. These are the two types of conditional statements in Java. Next, we have three types of conditions. See, types of conditions. Tushar Amin, types of conditions.
No idea, sir.
Okay, cool. Preeti, types of conditions.
I don't have any idea, sir.
Already I told in Java for Selenium roadmap chapter. Okay, Sri Lakshmi can answer it. Sri Lakshmi.
Sorry, sir, even I don't have.
Okay, cool. Say.
Single condition.
Yes, continue, Kamala. Single condition.
Compound condition.
Nested
condition.
Good. Say. Single condition. compound condition or multi-condition. Last one, nested condition. Single condition. For example, I will show practical example. Just observe this one. If A greater than B, open curly braces, next some normal statements, close curly braces. See, A greater than B, this is single condition. Next, in single condition, you can write positive condition, and negative condition. Based on your convenience, you can use them. Positive and negative conditions. Okay. See, if A greater than B, Rahman, you write condition, negative condition for same usage, same meaning. I want same meaning. Meaning A greater than B. This is positive condition. Write negative condition for same scenario. Negative condition for same scenario. If
not A greater than B.
Not A greater than B. If not A greater than B, meaning different na.
Okay.
If not A less than B.
Right. Thank you.
Welcome. If not A less than B. Observe Kamala, meaning same na. If not A less than B.
Yes, sir. A less than, if not A less than B.
A greater than B means A not less than B. Okay, you can write positive or negative single conditions based on your convenience. Next, compound or multi conditions. See, compound condition. Compound condition. Say using and or operators, logical operators, we can form compound conditions using and or operators. Example, if A greater than B and double ampersand, A greater than C, not only two conditions, you can write, you can combine 3 conditions, 4 conditions or 5 conditions, minimum 2. Close. Next, using OR operator also. OR operator. See pipe symbol. Just a minute. See, in compound conditions also you can write positive and negative conditions. Next, third one, nested condition. Nested. If A greater than B, if A greater than B, otherwise you leave this one. Next, again, if A greater than C, Next, if A greater than D, like this. If A greater than B, A greater than C, nested condition. One difference is there in between compound and compound condition and nested condition. In compound condition, you can write single else part only, but in nested condition, you can write multiple else parts based on if statements. Suppose 3 if statements, you can write 3 else parts. Next, third topic.
Sir, if three ifs are there, is mandatory to write 3 else or
not mandatory, optional.
Okay.
Optional. You can write 3. If required, you can write 3 else parts or 2 else part or 1 else part, or you no need to write any else part.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. You no need to write even single else part also. If you want to write, you write 3 or 2 or 1 or don't write. Okay. See, usage of conditional statements. Usage of conditional statements. See, we discussed 5 to 6 usages. Can you tell me, Madhavi, usage of conditional statements?
If you want to execute block of statement.
Your voice is very low. Increase the volume.
Block of statements to execute. If condition is true. Single condition.
Okay. See, execute a block of statements when condition is true. See, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Suppose when condition is false, don't do anything. This is one-way condition. No else part. Okay. Syntax. If condition open curly braces, next statements one or more, next close parenthesis, close curly braces. Example. Observe. See, I launched Eclipse IDE already, project already there, and package also there. Create a class, right click, select project, select package, and new, right click, new class. Suppose flow control. See, write main method, public static void main of string args, arguments, open curly braces. Okay, just a minute. Next, declare variables. Suppose int a comma b, int a comma b, a equal to 10, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. A equal to 10, b equal to 20. Suppose, just a minute, a equal to 50, b equal to 20. Write condition. Whenever you want to start conditional or loop statements, leave one blank line. That is coding standard, not rule. You can write in very next line, but leave one blank line. If a greater than b, if a greater than b, then display, just a minute, any meaningful message. A is a big number. A is a big number. What is the output, Kamala, as per that condition?
A is a big number, sir.
A is a big number. Run the program. A is a big number. Next, suppose A 50, B 200, Preeti. What is the output?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Say condition is false. Here no else part. Nothing. It bypasses the condition. Nothing. Just a minute. Next, another second usage. Execute a block of statements when a compound condition is true. See, execute a block of statements when a compound condition is true. Here also no else part, but compound condition, not single condition. Syntax: if condition 1, you can use and, or this English word or. Next, or operator, you can use and or. Next, suppose a greater than c, condition 2, whatever it might be. Condition 2, open curly braces, statements, one or more.
We have to close that whole condition part, right, in the brackets?
Yes, good. Whole compound condition within parenthesis. Yes. Next, example. See, earlier also we closed in compound condition. Yes. Observe. Okay, good, Madhavi. Example. Suppose A equal to A, B, C. A equal to 50, B equal to 40. Next, C equal to 30. If
B semicolon, I think this is not. Can
Pardon?
you read that, sir? Okay. No, sir.
Okay. And A greater than space optional, A greater than C. What is the problem? Close one more parenthesis. Then uh, A is a big number. Observe, Preeti, observe the first condition. Is it true or false?
It is true.
Second condition,
That is also true.
then what will happen? It will execute A is a big number, na?
A is the given. Yes, sir.
Run the program, A is a big number. Suppose if any one condition is false, second condition false, it won't execute. Nothing. Say this is compound condition or multi condition. Next, third usage, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. See, execute a block of statements when condition is true. Otherwise means else. Otherwise, execute another block of statements. Another block of statements. See here, executing any one block, either first part or else part is mandatory. Syntax. If condition, you can write single condition or multi condition. If condition, open curly braces, statements, else, before else, close curly braces. Next, after else, open curly braces. In the same statement also you can write curly braces or next statement. Next, in the else part, statements and again close curly braces. Example. Just a minute. Suppose A, B. If A greater than B, then display A is a big number, close curly braces, else, open curly braces. Next, B is a big number. B is a big number. Next, observe the inputs A 50, B 40. Expected output, A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, A 50, B 400. Expected output, B is a big number. B is a big number. Suppose, observe Tushar, A 50, B 50. What is the output?
It will bypass the condition.
It doesn't bypass. Executing any one block is mandatory. A is 50, B is 50. Sri Lakshmi is not responding today. Sri Lakshmi, what is the output?
Yes, sir.
What is the output in this scenario? Observe the inputs and condition. Observe the inputs and condition.
So both are same values, so I think it won't execute.
Already I rejected that answer. Tushar told already, but I rejected that answer. Kamala.
A is a big number.
No. B is a big number. Okay. Even though it is not correct answer, it will execute B is a big number. Why? First it checks condition. A greater than B. A greater than B? No. Equal to B or less than B? That is different matter. First of all, condition is not true. Then
So
blindly it executes else part.
Oh, okay.
Then blindly it executes else part. So B is big number. See, B is a big number is not correct answer. But as per that syntax, it will execute B is a big number. Observe, B is a big number na?
Sir.
Okay na, Preeti, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Say next, fourth usage. Decide among several alternates. Decide among several alternates. See, in this third usage, only two alternates. Either first part or else part. In this fourth structure, you can write n number of alternates. See, decide among several alternates. Another name of the structure, else if structure. Okay. See, first syntax, then example. Syntax. If condition, next statements, next close curly braces, else if, again condition. For every else if, condition mandatory. For every else if, condition mandatory. Open curly braces. Next statements. See, like this you can write n number of else parts. Next, at the end, you can write else other than above. Else, this else other than above. Else optional. Else optional. See, example. See, observe my requirement. Verify a number. Verify a number. Otherwise, just a minute. Initialize. What is the problem?
Syntax.
Pardon?
Sir, I have a doubt in syntax, sir.
Tell me.
If, else if, and in this case, we have to use one else, otherwise no, right, sir?
Only one else.
One else.
One
if
else.
necessary.
This is not nested condition.
Okay.
Only one else. That is also optional.
Oh, yeah. Else always optional, right, sir?
It's always optional.
Yeah.
See,
Thank you, sir.
welcome. Initialize and verify. Initialize a variable. Initialize a integer variable and verify the number. This is my main requirement. Next, child requirements are conditions if the number is greater than or equal, if the number is in between 1 and 100, then display number is a small number. This is one condition. Next, another condition. If the number is in between 100 already covered na, 101 and 1000, then display number is a medium number. Next, if number is in between 1001 and 10,000, then display number is a big number. See, all are compound conditions. Next, if the number is more than 10,000, single condition. First three compound conditions. More than 10,000, then display number is high number. Medium number, small number, medium number, big number, high number. Next, otherwise display number is either 0 or negative value or negative number. See, this is my requirement.
I have a question, sir. Yeah, this is main requirement is initialize integer variable and verify number, right? And child requirements also they will provide, or
Pardon?
These child requirements.
See, testing point of view, I am telling main requirement, child requirements. But programming point of view, these are conditions only, isn't it?
I know.
Just a minute. I will explain. I understood your question. See, first, program point of view, this is a requirement or problem. Solution required. This is problem. Computer program point of view, this is problem. These are conditions. Next, testing point of view, for example, this is requirement, main requirement. These are child requirements. See, they provide main and child requirements.
Okay, that's what my question.
Yes, they provide. Otherwise, how you know the child requirements?
That's what my question.
Yes, in testing, they provide main that is parent requirement, child requirement, sub-child requirements if available. They provide. Okay, na?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. See, Rahman, fulfill my, write the solution. Suppose programming terminology. Problem I explained. Provide the solution.
Okay. Int
Suppose int
a first number is
equal to some number.
some number.
Suppose,
Yeah.
50. Later you can change that number if you want to execute, if you want to check the conditions. First step over, we initialized the variable.
And the number.
First condition. What is the first condition?
If
1 and 100, then display small number.
small number.
If here
A.
compound condition required.
We need another variable like b.
Another variable. Why another variable? You can use direct number. Why another variable? What is our condition? If a, if that number is in between 1 and 100, means a greater than or equal to 1.
1.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Greater than or equal to 1 and
And
a less than or
less than equal to 100.
This is first condition. Close parenthesis and open curly braces. Then display SYSO control space enter, short form for display statement.
Then after if statement, we need to give one bracket.
Yes, good.
A small number.
Why it is showing error?
Yes, sir.
A is a
Small number.
small number. A is a small number. Close
We
the.
can we write A is greater than 0, sir, or no?
Yes, you can write A is greater than 0. Then it will consider A 1 and above. Yes, say in computer programming, more than one way to achieve any task and select the simplest way. Okay, you can write A greater than 0 also. Else, the same statement you can open curly braces. Next, second condition.
Yes, sir.
A is
Else,
Just
else or
continue.
else if. Else or else.
Good. Else if. Continue Rahman only.
Else if a open parenthesis. Yeah.
Just
A greater than.
Just a minute.
No space between else if, right, sir?
Just a minute. After right, no space.
No, we don't need if in here.
Else if.
So number 11, line 11, we don't need if. Yeah. It should go up.
Take this condition. Just a minute. I will write it. Why it is showing error? Okay. Else if.
Else if a greater than 101.
Just a greater than 100 enough na? Means it will consider from 101. Next, a less than or equal to 1000.
1000.
Next, a is a medium number. Okay. Second condition over. Next, write third condition. Else if a greater than 1000 and less than or equal to 10,000, then a is a big number. Next, one more condition. Here, single condition. Just a greater than b. Observe the condition. More than 10,000 means single condition enough. If a greater than 10,000, Another condition not required. Then print A is high number.
High number.
Any meaningful message. Next, else. Open curly braces. Next, A is either 0
or negative.
Either 0 other than or negative number. Negative number. Negative number. Just a minute. First, check the first condition by using input, proper input. Suppose 50, it will check first condition. A is a small number. Suppose 500. In this scenario, expected output is A is a medium number. A is a medium number. Can you observe the output console, Rahman?
Yes, sir, I can see.
Okay, cool. Next, suppose 5,000. Expected output A is a big number.
Big number.
Big number. Suppose 50,000. High number.
High number.
Suppose 0. A is either 0 or negative number. For example, -100.
Negative.
Either 0 or negative number. We didn't differentiate 0 and negative number, just leave it. Okay, na Preeti? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm good.
See, next usage, execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. See, execute a block of statements. Execute a block of statements when more than one condition is true. More than one condition is true. Otherwise, you can execute other parts. Here you can write multiple else structure, multiple else blocks, or single else block, or no else block. See syntax. If condition, next statement, again condition. If condition, next if condition. See, like this you can write number of ifs. Next, statements. Close 3 curly braces. We used 3 if statements. See, here you can write else parts. After this statements, one else part. After first curly brace, one else part. After second curly brace, another else part. You can write. See, example. See, A equal to 10, B equal to 8. Next, C equal to 7, D equal to 4. Oh, commas. Next, write the conditions. If A greater than B, next, if A greater than C, next, if A greater than D, check A value with other variables, other variable values. Then declare A is a means message. A is a big number. Run. A is a big number. Suppose first condition true, second condition true, third condition false. If any one condition false, it will see here no else part. Here you can write one else part. Else A is not a big number. We can't say B is big number or C is big number or D is big number. Just A is not a big number. A is not a big number. See this time first condition true, second condition false, third condition again true. But it will execute else part only. A is not a big number. Why it is not executing? Just a minute. Why this one? First condition closed, else opened, closed, else opened, closed, else opened, closed. Observe Kamala, why it is showing error? We have written 3 else parts. Just a minute. Here one close, second close, third close. One is extra. One is extra. Observe first to open, second one, third one close. Observe Kamala.
Sir, do we have to close all that curly braces at the end, or we can close at the middle, sir?
At the end means just a minute, we will check it.
We have 6 open curly braces, sir.
To close one curly braces, I think. One curly braces is less.
One clear. Just a minute. Tell me, Madhavi.
No, it's wrong, sir.
We have 6 open curly braces in if statements.
6.
Else with
6.
that we have to have 6 closed.
Just a minute. 6. Good. Say 1, 2, 3. Closes. Else 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Close 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still. Observe the problem, Tushar.
Oh, semicolon. Oh, mandatory semicolon.
Where?
End of the statement, we have to put semicolon there.
Where?
In display statements, sir. System out println.
I used semicolons na.
Yeah, use it semicolons. So wherever this curly braces are there, it is showing error message.
Yes. Observe Tushar. Preeti, there is a problem. See first one.
Else if or else, sir. If else, all are the else. I thought
just a minute. Pardon? All are
else or else if, sir.
else only.
Oh, else only. Okay.
Else only.
Okay.
Just a minute. If you try to, this is one structure. Suppose if it is single else part, you can write like this. Single else part.
More than one else, we have to use else if.
Just no, not required. Observe. First single, concentrate on single else. Run. Just a minute. Run. It is showing A is a big number, incorrect output. A is not a big number. So closing this one is not correct. We opened 3. Next, close 3 required. Close 3. 1, 2, 3. Close. 3 closes. 1, 2, 3. Just a minute. 1, 2, 3. Last 1, 2, 3. Next, every else part. First else part. One extra.
Yeah, we have to remove one. Yeah,
One extra, sir.
This
one
one.
Extra at the bottom. Last one.
Last one. Just a minute. One close, one open, one close.
So at number 20, there is another curly brace, sir, at the bottom.
Just a minute. How many opened? 1, 2. Forget about last 2. These last 2, one is for main method, another is for class.
Yeah.
Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One more. Okay.
Closed 5. To try this one. This one already executed, not executing. There's a problem. Not executing anything.
Output is A is not a big number, sir, or A is a big number, sir?
A is not a big number, na. See this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have a question, sir. Number 9, line number 9. So if this else for number 9.
Yes, this else for number 9.
Yeah.
Okay, this is first else. First else. Open, close. Next, second else. This position. But still it is showing a error. Just a minute. Okay, now observe. Did you observe this, Madhavi? Say this is first else. Next, within second if close, one more else. Next, see first else part, close, second else part, close. Now it is okay.
That means how many ifs we have to put that many else.
Else. That is not mandatory, optional.
Yeah, but it didn't work, right? A is not a big number when we put it. Only one else.
Only one else. It will show only particular point. I will show that one. Observe. Now condition, first condition true, second condition true, second condition A, B, C.
Second condition is false.
Second condition is false, third condition again true. A is not a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition true, third condition false. A is not a big number. Okay. Next, first condition false. Observe Tushar. In this scenario, first condition false. Expected output A is not a big number. A is not a big number. Next, this time second condition false. Same output. Why it is showing error? What happened? Okay. First, observe once again. First condition false. A is not a big number. Next, second condition false. A is not a big number. Next, third condition false. First two true. A is not a big number. Okay. Next, this time all conditions are true only. A is a big number. Okay na, Rahman?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Madhavi, we will check single condition later. First concentrate on multiple condition, multiple else structures. We will check single else later.
Okay.
Now what is the output? Observe the input. First condition true, second condition true, third condition also true. What is the output?
A is a big number.
A is a big number. Okay. Next, first condition false, second condition true, third condition true. What is the expected output?
A is not a big number.
Not a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition false. Same output. not a big number. Next, first true, second true, last false is not a big number. Okay, now it is working. Just a minute. Here we write.
1 second, sir.
Just a minute. Tell me.
Yeah, please, can you show us if it is only one variable? Now I want like whatever the values like B or C, anything is big, it has to show automatically. Can
Just
you
a
show
minute.
it?
Don't divert that one. First, second, concentrate on else part. Later I will go to your requirement. Single else part. Single else part. Concentrate on single else part. Kamala.
Yes, sir.
Single else part. Suppose this is single else part.
Okay. Yes. If A greater than D.
Just a minute.
Okay, single else. Okay. That.
Single else part.
Okay.
How many clauses required? We opened 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
We need to close 4. Already 2 closed. 3, 4. Okay. Observe, Madhavi. Now you can't get clarity outputs.
Okay.
Observe. First, all conditions are true. This time you can get correct output. Run. A is a big number. Okay. This else part for only one condition. Earlier Rahman told. Rahman, you told na? This condition only for fourth one na? Third condition na?
Yes, sir.
Third one. Suppose 20. A is not a big number. Working. See, this condition not for second and first conditions. Here nothing showing. See, in this requirement, for this requirement, 3 else parts required. Got the point, Rahman or Kamala?
Every if we need corresponding else, right, sir?
Else part here for this requirement, 3 else parts required.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can't get outputs for some scenarios.
Yeah.
Single else part not sufficient.
Yeah, we need 3 else.
Otherwise, you replay change the placement.
Okay. At the end of
first close, second close, next 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 closed.
Third one. So at the end of if statement, sir, all ifs.
This is for only first one.
Yeah.
Say first if, last else.
Yeah.
Run the program. Suppose first condition false. First condition false. First condition true. A is a big number. First condition true only. Suppose first condition false. Nothing showing. See 3. First condition.
To close one more curly brace before else.
Not required. Just a minute. First one not correct. First one not correct. It is not. Observe Madhavi, why it is not showing anything? See this first one first close.
One more curly braces before else, and we can remove one curly brace
Just
here.
a minute, just a minute. This time, first condition false. First condition false. Nothing showing. Observe Madhavi. A is a big number, okay. But I want to show A is not a big number. Where I need to place this else part?
And sir, after all curly braces, only one at these two.
After all curly braces.
And only else part at the end.
Good. Run. Observe Madhavi. Now it is showing A is a big number na. Hello?
Yes, sir, right.
Madhavi not responding. What about you, Madhavi? Hello? Hello? Rahman, you tell me.
Yes, sir, I'm agree.
See this curly, see this one. Which one? This else part. This else part only for first condition na?
Yes, only for if only for A greater than B. If
Yes.
this condition
This
not
else
true, then
part
it's go to
won't,
else.
see in this scenario, 3 else parts required. Okay na? Otherwise, if you write only one else part, that works only for particular condition. Suppose this else part only for first condition. Observe first condition. Now first condition is true or false?
True.
True. What is the expected output?
A is a big number.
What it is showing? A is a big number. Next, observe. First condition true or false?
False.
False. What is the expected output?
A is not a big number.
Not a big number. Not a big number. Working now? Just a minute. This else part only for see else part for just a minute. Else part for first condition. This is only for first condition. Suppose if you execute second condition, it won't work. Else part won't work, but true part will work. See, else part not working, nothing showing. Suppose true, first condition true, second condition true, third condition true, it will execute. A is a big number. Now write else part only for second condition. Change the placement. Here. Now it is only for second condition. Now all conditions true. Next, second condition false. Seat 70. A is not a big number. See. else part for second condition only. Second condition only. See earlier, else part for first condition, else part for second condition, see first condition only. Next, else part for second condition only. Next, else part for third condition only.
Sir.
Third condition. Third condition only. Tell me, third condition. Where we need to place this one?
One more curly braces.
Only
after line 11, I think.
Pardon?
Yeah, after the in between
11 and 12.
11 and 12.
Yeah.
Line 11 and 12.
Curly brace come down. After two curly braces from bottom.
After two present
from the
position
bottom.
only, na?
No, sir. Next one.
Okay.
Little one more.
Okay, good. Just a minute. Now observe, all conditions are true. A is a big number. Next, third condition only false. Not executing. Third condition only. Third condition. Placement problem. Placement problem. Say after first one. After first one. Run. Now observe Rahman. This is the placement.
Yes, sir. 11 and 12.
Say, observe. Third if, immediate close, immediate else. Second if, last but one.
Next one.
First if, last one.
Last one.
Got the point? Now observe.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All, welcome. All conditions are true. A is a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition true, third condition only false. A is not a big number. See, this is for third condition only. Next, we already used else for all conditions. Just a minute. Next, you take that first one, this one. Now maintain the sequence. Just a minute. Now observe. First example, else part for first condition only. Next, else part for second condition only. Next, else part for third condition only. Next, else parts for all conditions. All conditions. Else parts for all conditions. Already we used. Now observe, all conditions are true. Expected output, A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, first condition false, remaining conditions true. A is not a big number. Next, first condition true, second false, third true. A is not a big number. Next, first condition true, second condition true, last condition false. A is not a big number. Working na, Rahman?
Yes, sir. It was fine.
Okay, cool. Preeti Joshi, did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Now tell me, Madhavi, you told one requirement na, Madhavi. Now I completed this problem. Now you tell me. Madhavi. Okay, Madhavi not available. Next. Kamala, any queries in this fifth structure?
No, sir. I understood now.
This is I understood, sir. But I want like any variable if we change. I want that one B is a big number, C is a big number. That one it has to show. That is my question.
Any number?
This is just it showing A is a big number or A is not a big number. My requirement
yes, I understood your requirement. Suppose if any number is big, suppose B is bigger than A, C and D, or C is bigger than A, B and D, or D bigger than A, B and C, isn't it?
Yes.
For that you need to write, you take that problem as assignment and complete that one. For that you need to use good question. You need to use else if structure.
That's what my question. That's why I tried so many times, but it didn't work out.
You take this problem as assignment and try. Otherwise, I will provide the solution through email. See, for your requirement, see, it has to check bigger number out of 4 numbers, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
For that requirement, nested condition and else if required, mixed.
Yeah, that's why I was asking.
Yes, you try that one. Otherwise, you send that script. You send that program. I will correct it. Okay, na?
Okay.
You try to use nested condition and else if structure. Yes, that is different requirement. For that else if structure also required. You try that one. If you get any errors, mail me that program. I will correct it. Just a minute. You requirement na. You take all members take this problem as assignment and try to provide solution for at least you try to provide solution by this weekend, Monday. Tell me your requirement in simple sentence, Madhavi.
I want to get like
get
whatever the biggest number.
Biggest number
out of 4.
Get biggest number. Biggest number out of 4 numbers. Out of 4 numbers. Here use nested condition. See. Use nested and nested condition.
So nested if, sir?
Nested if. Otherwise, you try with only else if structure.
Oh, else if.
only else if structure, nested if, else if. Or you try with only else if structure. Only else if and compound conditions. Compound conditions. Select the simplest way. Just a minute. Madhavi asked this one. Madhavi, just we will try with only else if. Tell
Okay,
me
sir.
only else if. First, I will try. What is the first condition? First, you check. Just a minute. If A greater than B, if A greater than B and A greater than C, if A greater than B, A greater than C and
You put less than C, sir.
okay. A greater than. Say next and A greater than D. 3.
Why
Open this.
3, sir?
Pardon? 3 conditions na? How many conditions?
I didn't understand, sir.
What is the problem?
A greater than B and A greater than C and okay.
Just a minute. You can get.
Okay. 1, 2.
Suppose.
Okay.
Just a minute. A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, else if it is showing
One curly brace is missing, number 9.
okay.
Line number 9.
Good. Still
Space, else if, after else if, space and curly braces, sir?
else if correct only. For else if condition required.
Okay.
Just a minute. Let me complete it. Then you can ask questions. If you ask questions middle diversion. Just a minute. If this time I am considering B. B greater than A. B greater than C. Next, B greater than D. Then B is a big number. Okay, close. Next, else if this time C. Consider C. If C greater than A, C greater than B, C greater than D, then okay, A, B, C working. Next, else open curly braces, close curly braces.
For D, else if another else if is not necessary, sir, for D.
Only last one, na? To try with else part.
Line number 14.
Just
Maybe.
a minute.
Yeah.
What I told Rahman, after completion of the structure, then ask questions. Otherwise, diversion. Just a minute. A, B, C, D. Any errors? No errors. Just a minute, Rahman. Now, as per inputs, what is the expected output? Rahman, what is the expected output?
A is a big number.
A is a big number. A is a big number. Next, as per input, what is the expected output?
B is a big number.
B is a big number. Okay, na? Next, C70. Expected output?
C is a big number.
C is a big number. Okay. Next, D20. Expected output D is a big number. Working. Now you ask question, Rahman, then Kamala.
No, I'm fine now. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Now you ask question, Kamala.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome, Madhavi. Kamala.
So what I thought was for each if we need to create one else part. That's what I thought. But it's not necessary.
Here not required. Only single else part. For last one also you can write else if.
Oh, okay.
But not required. Condition not required. Why? Other than above, na?
Yeah. That's
suppose if any competitor is, if any other thing is there, then you need to segregate. Here no segregation required for D. A completed, A condition completed, B condition completed, C condition completed.
Yeah, fulfilled in the first. Sir, I didn't understand the brackets. I'm so sorry. I didn't
okay,
get
cool. Bracket. Okay. This else part, okay, na?
Understood, sir.
Understood. You are confusing with this brackets, na?
Yeah, I don't know how to
observe. In this compound condition, how many conditions are there?
2 conditions.
3 conditions.
Yeah.
A greater than B, A greater than C, A greater than D. Observe the selected one.
Yeah, 3 conditions.
3 conditions. 3 brackets required, na?
Oh, okay. Yeah, 3 conditions.
Okay, na?
If it is 2, 2. Okay.
2. If it is 4 brackets.
Thank you.
Welcome. Segregation required. Preeti Joshi.
Sir, can you please do one thing? After the if statement, can you delete 2? One is open bracket and one is close bracket, so we can see the output what is coming.
Which one? After?
The if statement is there up, right?
First if statement.
Yeah, that one. And in that there are 3 brackets opening and 3 brackets are closing. So if we can delete one opening bracket and delete one close bracket, so what is the output? Can we see that? What will be the error?
No error. You want to delete one open and one close bracket, isn't it?
Yes.
It will show error.
Okay.
Oh, not showing error.
No, sir, I don't think so. Why? Because we have to close all conditions together. That's why one is enough.
2 is enough.
Okay. But 3 also working, na?
Yeah, that is also working.
Working. That is also working. Okay.
So, but can you run the program, sir?
Just a minute. Now D is a big number. Okay. Next 70. This time C is a big number. C is a big number. Next 80. B is a big number. Next, A is a big number this time. Okay. Okay, Kamala and Preeti, 2 brackets enough. But
Thank you, sir.
it is not showing any error for 3 brackets also.
To do one bracket, it will
One
definitely show
bracket,
error.
definitely it will show error.
Because for all conditions,
Closing required.
closing is required.
We have to enclose all conditions.
At, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, na
Thank you,
Preeti?
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome. See. Just this much contribution required from you. Okay. No need to take assignment. And one more thing, already I told in computer programming motto is more than one way to achieve any task, but take simplest way, not complex way. And one more thing, here get big numbers out of 4 numbers. For this nested condition, not required, complex. Here use else if and Madhavi, else if and compound conditions. Enough,
Yeah,
na?
that's, yeah, it's easy.
Easy. Select simplest way. Next, last structure. Decide among several alternates. Decide. Just a minute. Decide among several. Decide among several alternates. Earlier we used this one using else if structure, this time switch case structure using switch case switch case structure. Okay. See, in order to reduce the complexity of else if structure, the switch case structure inaugurated. See, first take the syntax. Switch, small letters. Switch expression. What is expression? I will show. Switch expression, open curly braces, close curly braces. Next, within this you can write number of cases. Suppose case value colon statements. Case value statements. Next, break, semicolon. For every normal statements also semicolon. Next, another case. Another case. Like this you can write number of cases. Next, here else part default. Just default statements. Okay. Example. Observe. Read one character, char data type, char grade, variable name is grade, single quotes, suppose A, semicolon. Next, write cases. Before that, switch. Here expression is grade. Based on that grade value, it has to choose the case. Based on that grade value, it has to choose the case. Grade, open curly braces. Okay. Next, write cases. Case value. Suppose our value is A. Colon. Next, display statements or any other normal statements. Suppose A grade, excellent. A grade, excellent. See here for cases, no open and close curly braces required. B, for every case, break required. Break. Suppose if case is okay, then break. Otherwise, continue. C. A, excellent. B, well done. Any meaningful message. Suppose better. Here also write break. Next, default. Colon. SYSO control space enter. Suppose invalid grade. Invalid grade. Observe Vijaya not available. Sri Lakshmi, observe what is the output as per our input. Sri Lakshmi. Sri Lakshmi. Hello, Sri Lakshmi, are you there? Tushar, tell me the output.
Excellent.
Excellent. Run. Excellent. Next, Madhavi.
Well done, sir.
Well done. Okay. Next, Kamala. C.
Better.
Better. Next, suppose some X. Rahman.
Yes, sir. Invalid grade.
Invalid grade. Invalid grade. See, this is about
Case A break, case B break. Okay, that is syntax.
yes, syntax. Suppose if case A is okay, here we are not using open and close braces.
Yes,
if case A is okay, then break. You no need to execute remaining.
Like, yeah, is like
Suppose not okay, then it will go to another one.
second break.
Second break, third break. At the end, default, other than above.
Other than it.
Okay, na?
Thanks. Yeah, thanks.
See, welcome. See, this is about.
Can you explain expression, sir? What is like?
Expression, this one, anything you can use as expression. See here, grade is expression. Based on grade value, based on that grade value, it has to choose the case.
Okay.
Grade is just anything having value. Here expression is anything having value. Based on that value, it has to choose the case and execute that case statements, one or more. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
See. Next, Java loop statements. The simple one, Java conditional only complex. Java loop statements. What is the purpose of loop statements in our test automation? Kamala.
Repetitive execution,
Yes.
sir.
Loop statements. Loop statements for repetitive execution. See, we have 4 loops. Sri Lakshmi, are you there? Not responding. Sri Lakshmi. Hello? Sri Lakshmi. Okay. Now, tell me, Joshi, we have 4 loop structures in Java. What are the 4 loop structures?
Do while.
First, sequence. Okay. All are independent loops only. For loop. Next.
While.
Continue, Madhavi.
While.
While loop. Next.
While.
Do while loop. Do while loop.
Enhance.
Last one, enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop. See, for loop, while loop, do while loop, enhanced for loop. See, for enhanced for loops, we use array. In Java, arrays are objects. For first 3 loops, we use variables. Say, in our test automation, first 3 loops only we use. 4th loop, no use or rare use. You focus on these first 3 loops. I will provide example for 4th loop also. Say first 3 loops are important for our test automation. Okay. For all loops, I will provide syntax and example. First take for loop. For loop. Say, what is for loop? Description. See. Description, syntax, example. This is the pattern in order to understand loop structures. Syntax, description. First, what is the functionality of for loop? It repeats a block of statements for a specified number of times. It repeats a block of statements for a specified number of times. Syntax for, can you tell me the syntax? Can you tell me the syntax, Madhavi?
For start value.
Yes, start value. Start value.
Semicolon.
Semicolon.
End value.
End value. Good. End value.
Semicolon.
Increment
or decrement.
Good. Increment or decrement? Increment or decrement? Next, open curly braces, close curly braces. Within this, you can write statements, one or more. Next example. Suppose my problem is, say in computer programming, problem solution. In a software testing, requirement, test case. Okay. Print 1 to 10 numbers. Print 1 to 10 numbers. This is one requirement. Example 1. Print 1 to 10 numbers. Next, example 2. Print reverse order, 10 to 1 numbers. Next, another one. Print 1 to 10 numbers. Here one condition. Except 7. Print 1 to 10 except 7. Here condition required within loop. Observe, we are discussing conditional statements separately and loop statements separately. But you can use conditions within loops and vice versa. First, Tushar, fulfill the first requirement. Provide the solution for first requirement. Print 1 to 10 numbers.
You have to declare a variable.
Declare variable. Declaration is required. Within code block, you can use that. You can declare variable within code block. Or is it required? Not required. Write code directly for
x equal 1.
Suppose I equal to 1, semicolon, I less than or equal to 10, semicolon,
and I plus plus.
I plus plus. Good. Open curly braces. Next, display I.
We have to initialize I, right, sir?
Just a minute. Int I.
Okay, int I.
Int I. See, we can directly declare variable in code blocks, method blocks, this one, in conditional blocks, method blocks, and loop blocks, or any other block. See, this is local variable, isn't it? Yesterday we discussed local variables used within this block only, not outside of the block. Suppose if you use this print statement, error, local variable. Here, local variable is enough. Run the program. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just a minute. Next, Madhavi, provide the solution for second second problem, 10 to 1 numbers.
For int I is equal to 10.
I equal to 10. Starting value 10, ending start value 10, end value 1.
I minus minus.
I minus minus. Run the program. Why nothing? What is the problem?
I is greater than or equal to 1.
Yes. Condition also. I is greater than or equal to 1. Run 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Next, Rahman, fulfill the third problem. Print 1 to 10 numbers except 7th number.
Okay. Int I equal to 1.
I equal to 1. Okay. I less than or equal to
10.
10. Okay.
1, 10. I plus plus.
I plus plus. Okay. Next condition. I don't want to print 7th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. That is my required output.
We have to write a if statement.
Condition. Before this display statement, write condition if here negative condition is suitable. Negative condition. Write negative condition.
If I.
Or you can write positive condition also. If I not equal to. What is the not equal to operator? Experimentation equal to I not equal to 7.
7.
Here you can write compound condition also, if required. Observe the output. No 7 na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, Preeti, just some enhancement. I want to display 1 to 10 numbers except 4th number and 7th number.
Compound condition.
Preeti. For that compound condition required, except 4th and 7th. And next.
Not equal to 4.
I not equal to.
I not equal to
4.
First, maintain the sequence. 4,
7.
7. Enclose the compound condition. Run. See, no 4, no 7. No 4, no 7. See, next while loop. See, I am introducing basic syntaxes and examples. With examples, in test automation, we will use conditional and loop statements. See, 4th one, except 4th number and 7th number. Okay. Next, come to second structure, while loop. While loop. While loop. It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. Once you meet false position, then it comes out from the loop. Say description. It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. Syntax. For this initialization required, next while condition open curly braces, close curly braces, within statements one or more. Next, increment or decrement. Say example. Tushar, you fulfill the first requirement. Earlier we used for loop, this time while loop. What is what is the requirement? What is the problem? Print 1 to 10 numbers. Print 1 to 10 numbers. This is my requirement.
You declare
Just a minute. Print 1 to 10 numbers. Tell me.
declare a variable.
Suppose int I equal to 1.
And then while loop, then the condition I less than or equal to 10.
What is the condition? I less than or equal to 10.
Yes.
Less than or equal to 10, open curly braces. Next, print control space, enter I. Next, increment.
It should be I plus plus.
I plus plus. Semicolon. Run the program. See 1 to 10. Next, Rahman, 10 to 1.
10 to 1. Int I equal to 1. Okay.
I equal to 10.
10.
I equal to 10.
While I less than equal to 1.
Less than or equal to 1. I less than or equal to 1. Or greater than or equal to 1.
Greater than equal to 1.
Change the condition. Initialize, change the initialization, change the condition, and change that increment, decrement. Run the program. 10 to 1. Here also you can write condition Madhavi. Suppose except 7. Fulfill 1 to print 1 to 10 numbers except 7th number. If I not equal to 7, open curly braces, here close curly braces, not equal to 7. Run 1 to 6 only. This one. Placement, change the placement. This one, which one? Increment.
After curly braces.
After curly braces. After first curly brace. See, this is the entire structure. 2 curly braces. One is for loop, another for condition. Run 1 to 10 except 7. Next, third loop structure. Third loop structure is similar to second one only, but one change is there. Do loop. Third loop structure, do loop. What is do loop? It repeats a block of statements while condition is true. See, as like second structure only. As like second structure only. But then what is the specialty of do while loop? it executes a block of statements at least once irrespective of the condition. See, while loop first checks the condition, then execute. But do while loop first execute the statements once, then it checks the condition. So, see, it executes. Preeti, find the difference between while loop and do while loop. What is the difference?
First, it will execute the statement and then
checks the condition. But
right.
while loop, first condition, then execution. See,
yeah.
It executes a block of statements. At least once, irrespective of the condition. Irrespective of the condition. See, syntax. First, initialization mandatory. Next, do open curly braces statements. Next, close curly braces. After curly braces, while condition semicolon. In this normal statements only, you can provide increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Increment or decrement. Example. Suppose I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. Int I equal to 0. I equal to 10. Do open curly braces. Next, normal statements. Suppose I equal to 1. Then increment or decrement. I plus plus semicolon. Next, while condition I less than or equal to 10. semicolon. See, it will print 1 to 10 numbers. It will print 1 to 10 numbers. Run 1 to 10. Just a minute. Next, I equal to 20. Observe, Preeti, condition is true or false? Kamala?
False, sir.
False. Then what will happen?
I think it won't print anything.
At least it execute once na.
Yeah.
20.
Pardon?
20.
20.
Yes, sir.
Run 20 only. After first time execution, it checks the condition. Condition false, it comes out.
Comes out. But
Okay na, Rahman? The structure, any confusion?
No confusion.
Okay,
Thank you,
cool.
sir.
Cool. Welcome. See, fourth one. See, first 3 loops only important for our test automation. Okay, fourth one also I will explain. Enhanced for loop in VB script for each next in Java enhanced for loop. What is enhanced for loop? What is the functionality of the structure? It executes all elements in an array. See, first 3 loops we used variables, but for this last loop array, it executes all elements in an array. See, in Java, array is object, but in VB script, array also one type of variable, array variable. But in Java, array is object. Syntax. Array declaration as like variable declaration. Array declaration. Next, for declaration, here we have to declare another one that I will show. Colon, expression or array. See, synonyms in this scenario. Open curly braces. Next, statements. Close curly braces. Example. Observe. See, arrays we didn't discuss. We will discuss in arrays. We will discuss after 2 or 3 days. Okay, I will show how to declare arrays. You don't concentrate on that syntax. Anyhow, I will explain arrays in arrays chapter. One small chapter is there for arrays and strings. String chapter separate. String handling in Java, that is one chapter. Arrays in Java, that is another chapter. Just I am using array in this loops chapter. Conditional and loop statements in Java chapter. Don't concentrate on array syntax. Okay. Suppose I am going to declare string type array. or you can declare integer type array or character type array. String square brackets array name, suppose languages equal to, I'm initializing the values also, curly braces within double quotes, C string type array. Next COBOL. Next Java, like this. Close curly braces, semicolon. Okay. Next, for string, just I am declaring string. Lang is string name, colon. Here array is languages. Open curly braces, close. Next, I want to display all elements in that languages array. Lang. Run the program. C COBOL Java. I will show another example also. Just a minute. I will show another example. Okay, now this example, Tushar, did you understand this example? See this one, first one, this is array. In this for loop, this is a string. Any confusion?
No, sir, I'm good.
I will show one more example, concentrate. One more example. Concentrate, Madhavi. Suppose this time integer type array, int square brackets, that array name is math operations, mathematical operations, equal to, I'm not assigning any value, just defining the size, new int of, suppose size 3, semicolon. Next, assign values for all array elements. Suppose math operations. See, array index starts from 0. Square bracket 0 equal to suppose a plus b, semicolon, equal to a plus b. What is that a plus b? We need to declare variables. Int a, for example, int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 20. Okay, declaration. Next, math operations of 1. Suppose a minus b. Next, 2, index 2. Suppose multiplication. Next, I want to execute all these 3 operations one by one. addition, subtraction and multiplication. Addition, subtraction and multiplication. For declare one local variable int, for example operation colon array. What what is array in this scenario? Preeti.
Sorry, what is?
What is array in this example? What is the array name?
Math. Math operations.
Math operations. Math operations. This is the array or expression. Math operations, open curly braces, next display. What is that one? Operation. What is the output, Kamala? Output?
10 minus 10, 200. Okay.
No. Madhavi, what is the expected output? A plus B, 30. Next,
Yeah,
minus 10. Next, 200. All elements. See, 30 minus 10, 200. Just a minute, increase the size. Suppose 4. One more math operation. For example, division. This is third index position, division. Run. Why it is showing 0? Why it is showing 0? Tell me, Rahman. Actually, it is 0.5 na 10 by 20.
It's a operator called assignment. I forget.
Observe. Addition okay. Addition okay. Subtraction okay. Multiplication also okay. What about this one? It is showing 0, but my expected output is 0.5.
So integer, sir.
Integer. It shows integer point only. But here you can change the integer to double. Data type. Double operation. Run. It is showing 30.0. Okay. Anyhow, it is mathematical value na. 30.0 means 30 only. Minus 10.0, 10 only, 200. Okay. Still 0.0. Why? 10 by A by B. 10 by 20.
We have to change the variable initialization.
Okay, okay. Here also. Here also. Second,
Top one
not
also.
required. Why these are showing errors?
Top one array declaration.
Array also double type array. Double type array. Okay. Run. Errors.
New also, sir. New integer.
New double. Run. Okay. Now it is showing 0.5 now. Madhavi.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Suppose if you want only integer type, just you can use int. For that, no division. Division decimal point value. See size, you no need to initialize all elements. Suppose we can initialize 4 elements, but I initialized 3 elements only. No issue. Run. Okay na? Kamala.
Sir.
Here array size is 4, but I initialized 3 values. Okay, no issue.
Yes.
Suppose array size 2, then what will happen?
It will only 10.
Error,
Exception.
Exception. See, out of range. Suppose if it is 4, no issue. We used 3 elements only, 4th element blank, no issue.
No issues.
So try to use correct only, but if you use extra size, no issue. Okay, 30 minus 10, 200. Just a minute. This is integer type array, double type array, string type array also we used. Okay, this is about Java conditional and loop statements. I'm going to close the session. Any queries? Tushar, any queries?
No, sir, I'm good.
What about you, Preeti?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Madhavi, Kamala?
I have a question, sir. String array, string declaration. Can we use first initialization like array declaration and then we can assign the values?
Just a minute. First string declare, string type array.
Yeah.
Okay. Array name? Languages. Equal to, yes, you can use, no issue. Okay. You can use. Just a minute. Suppose 3 values, not 2, size 2. Next, initialize.
We have to mention new string, right?
Yes. Next.
Is that syntax, sir? New string? Okay, string
Langs of 0.
1, 2.
Not 1, 2. C language. Yeah. Next, you can use 1 COBOL. Next, for example, Java. And what is the problem? You can take that same for loop. Where is that one? Same for. One is extra.
We put message array declaration 2, right? Why did we array 0, 1, 2?
2. Okay. 0, 1, 2. Size 3. Run. Executing now.
Yes.
It's same. Any other queries, Kamala? I'm going to close the session.
I didn't understand. String 3 means 1, 2, 3 or 0, 1, 2, 3?
0, 1,
starts from
0, 1, 2. 3 means 3 elements.
Okay.
3 elements means index starts from 0 to n-1.
Oh, okay. 0 to n-1.
n-1. Here n is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 is the last index. 0 is the first index.
Yeah. And another thing, sir, string language equal to new string. That is a declaration of string, sir, new.
What I told earlier, you don't concentrate on array syntax. That I will explain in arrays. See, in different ways we can declare and assign values to array elements. In different ways we can declare arrays.
Yes, sir.
See, that I will explain in arrays chapter. We are discussing flow control now. Don't focus on arrays. See, this is one type declaration. Observe. This is one type. Declaring and assigning values in the same statement. This is another type. Declaring and specifying size. Next, later assign values to elements. This is another syntax. Next, one more syntax also there. First declare array variable, then define size, then assign values. 3 steps.
Okay.
Okay na? Any queries, Rahman? I'm going to close the session.
No, sir. Fine. Today we learned a lot.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. We will meet on Monday, same time. Thank you.